Hello everyone. Today's question is edit distance. Given two words word1 and word2. Find the minimum number of operations required to convert word1 to word2. You have the following three operations permitted on a word. First is insert a character, delete a character, replace a character. Now we will move to pen and paper and understand this problem statement with the help of one example. So in this problem statement, you are given two word, that is word 1 and word 2. What you have to do, you have to convert the word 1 to word 2 with the minimum number of operation. Okay. Uh, so so here you can perform three operations, that is insert a character if required, and delete a character, and replace a character. So in this case, word 1 and word 2, both of them length are 3. So now we will start from index 0. So that is this, we check index 0. Index 0 character is matched. Yes, this is matched. So now we'll move to next index 1. So index 1, word 2 is U, word 1 is A. So this is not matched. So we will replace this A to U. So now we will replace this A to U. So we will perform one operation here. So now our this will be U. Okay, and now we move to next, that is index 2. So check both of the character are equal or not. Both of the character are equal. So we are able to convert this word 1 to word 2 with the minimum operation of 1. So now 1 is our desired answer. So I hope question is clear to you. Now we'll move to solution part. So we have given two word, that is word 1 and word 2. What we have to do, we have to convert this word 1 to word 2 and with the minimum operation. So first our base case is, so we will convert this row 1 to column value. So this is column 0 and this is column 1. First we will take a matrix, that is word 1 plus 1 row and word 2 plus 1 column. So now we will update this row 0 with this column number. So that is row 0, sorry, column 0, column 1, column 2 and column 3, and then we will update the row also with update the column of update the first column with the row value, that is row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4 and row 5. Okay, now our base case is done. So now what we will do, we will check this is matched or not. If this is matched, we will take the diagonal value. If this is not matched, we will take the we'll take the minimum of this and this plus 1. So H is not matched with R, so we'll take the minimum of this 3 plus 1. It's 0 plus 1, it's 1, and again we'll check this is matched, H is matched with O, no. So we'll take the minimum of this 3 plus minimum of this 3 plus 1, so that is 2. Again we will check this is matched, no, this is not matched, so we'll take the minimum of this 3 plus 1, there is 3. Again we will move to the next row. So that is our, so we check O is matched with R, no, this is not matched, so we'll take the minimum of this 3 plus 1, so that is 2. So again we will check O is matched with this. Oh, yes, this is matched, so we'll take the diagonal value, we'll take 1. So again we'll check O is matched with S, no, so we'll take the minimum of this 3 plus 1. Minimum of this 3 is 1 plus 1, 2. So now again we'll move to this next row, so that is R is equals to R, so we'll take the minimum, sorry, in diagonal value, that is 2. So now we will check the R is matched with O, No. So we'll take the minimum of this 3 plus 1, that is 1 plus 1 2. Again we'll move to the next column, that is R is matched with S. No, R is not matched with S. So we'll take the minimum of this 3, that is 1 plus 1, that is 2. Now our S, for S we check S is equals to R. No. So we'll take the minimum of this 3 plus 1 3, and again S is not equal minimum of this 3 plus 1. So S is equals to, so we'll take the diagonal value, that is 2. Again check this is matched. No. So we'll take the minimum, that is 3 plus 1 4. Check this is matched. No. So we'll take the minimum 3 plus 1 is 4. So E is also not matched. So we'll take the minimum of this 3, that is 2 plus 1, that is 3. So this is our answer. So I hope it's clear to you. So still if you have doubt, it will be clear in implementation part. In implementation part I will explain it again. Okay, now we'll move to the implementation part. First I will calculate here the length of word 1 and word 2. M is denoted for length of word 1 and N is denoted for length of word 2. Now we will create a matrix, that is length of word 2 column and length of word 1 row. Okay, now we will iterate this matrix. Now I in range m plus 1. M is the word 1 and I is denoted for row, and j in range of n plus 1. J is denoted for column. So if our I is 0, then we will update our grid value ij equals to j, and if our j is 0, then we will update this grid value with the value of I. Okay, so this is for base case. And now we will check if our word 1 I minus 1 is equals to word 2 j minus 1, means if the word 1 I minus 1 is matched with word 2 j minus 1, then we will take the diagonal, update this grid with this diagonal value, that is dp ij equals to dp I minus 1 and j minus 1, that is diagonal value. So if the word is matched, so if it is not matched and the I and j both are not 0, so then we will take the minimum of dp I minus 1. I is for row minus 1 and column, and row column minus 1, and last is diagonal value, that is row minus 1 and column minus 1, I minus 1 and j minus 1. At the end we will return matrix last row and last column value. So here we will return dp mn value. So now we'll run the code, it is working or not. So yeah, it is running successfully. Now we'll submit it. Yeah, got accepted. Thank you for watching this video. Please consider subscribe if you are new to this channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.